Good morning, student. Today we continue the revision of our chapter number 7, that is directing. That is the fourth element of fourth function of management. We already revised the three functions. The primary function is planning, organizing, staffing. When all the resources are collected and all human resources are appointed, the next point to guide them in a proper way so that educational, so that organizational, institutional, personal objectives of organization must be achieved effectively and efficiently. The first thing that comes into the mind, what is directing? Directing means giving instruction, guiding, communicating and inspiring the people in the organization. It has some features. The first feature is about directing initiates action. Directing takes place at every level of management. Directing is a continuous process and directing flows from top to bottom because the upper management give the instructions to the subordinates and they sort out the problems. There are some importance related to the directing and which gives the direction to the organizations. The first is it initiate action. It helps to promote, it helps to start the organization activity and it integrate the employee efforts by giving them proper incentives, by giving them motivational speech and directing them in a better way, because in definition we studies that instruction, guiding and communication. It facilitates in implementing the changes and it creates the balance in the organization. They never appreciate because the principle is applicable in that organizational, we are not supporting individual interest. Okay, we are supporting the organizational support. There are some elements. The elements are supervision, communication, leadership and motivation. There are four main elements of directing. The first one is supervision. Second one is communication. Next is leadership. And the last one is motivation. Supervision is two parts. That is super plus vision. That means under the guidance and the sequence of experienced person. Under the guidance of experienced person. This is our supervision. And communication means it refers to the art of transferring the facts, the ideas, feeling from one person to the another, making him understand them. The next is leadership. It refers to influencing the other in such a manner to do what the leader wants them to do. And the last one is motivation. That is, it refers to the process which excites the pupil of work to work for the attainment of the desired objectives. The next topic is about motivation. The first motivation approach that is important to your examination point of view, that is Maslow's need of hierarchy theory. That was asked in our November test also. Maslow's need hierarchy theory. मास्लो नीड को 5 पार्ट्स में कैटेगराइज करता है. द फर्स्ट वन इज बेसिक नीड्स. द बेसिक नीड्स ऑफ ह्यूमन इज हंगर, क्लॉथ, थर्स्ट. ठीक है. दैट मीन रोटी कपड़ा और मकान, अगर ये तीन चीजें जो है फुलफिल हो रही हैं, दैट इज their basic needs, that is called physiological needs. Next is safety needs, in which they have to be make a safe environment, working environment must be safe. Affiliation or social needs must be fulfilled. Esteem needs, so that they have to take the recognition from the organization. And self-actualization need, that is the high level needs, and must be growth must be there. You have to be read it out all these topics that we devise today, and until